This generator is guaranteed to provide high-quality, high-purity power in real time to meet the power requirements of various electronic chip-controlled appliances such as computers, uninterruptible power supplies, audio equipment, communication equipment, medical equipment, and induction microwave ovens. Large capacity fuel tank design 10 liters, full tank of fuel at 3.5 kilowatts normal power to ensure more than 6 hours of continuous output, gap use situation, running more than 8 hours. The whole machine is compact in design, novel in style, stable in performance, and low in noise. Adopting newly developed frequency conversion technology, it reaches the International Communication Power Supply Level 2 standard and can be used as a mobile power supply in the field and an emergency power supply for high-grade appliances. Especially suitable for laptop, tablet, PC, audio, TV, microwave oven, electric baking oven, tent lighting, and so on. Suitable for wilderness camping and street stalls.